Have you ever wondered why certain countries are rich and others poor? The research awarded the 2024 Economic Sciences Prize has shown that it largely depends on the country's social institutions, such as the governance and the laws they have and how they have been created. The research explores prosperity in places colonized by Europeans. The places that were rich when they were colonized have today become much poorer, while the places that were poor when they were colonized have higher prosperity. This development depends to a large extent on the social institutions that the colonizers introduced. The richest 20% of the world's countries are about 30 times richer than the poorest 20% of countries today. But that can be changed for the better, because the research shows that it is possible to increase prosperity in poor countries by adopting a more democratic system.